Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. Boiler water treatment. This isn't just about adding chemicals, it's a precise science governed by a strict testing and dosing checklist, ensuring the longevity and efficient operation of the ship's boilers. Without proper treatment, boilers can suffer catastrophic failures, leading to costly repairs and operational downtime. Our journey begins with understanding the risks. Untreated boiler water can lead to three primary issues: corrosion, the breakdown of metal surfaces; scaling, the formation of hard mineral deposits on heat transfer surfaces; and foaming, which can carry water into the steam lines, causing damage to turbines and other steam-dependent machinery. These problems reduce boiler efficiency, increase fuel consumption, and pose significant safety hazards. The first essential step is regular water sample collection. Following a strict schedule, usually daily or bidaily, engineers draw samples from designated points, such as the boiler drum and the feed water line. The samples must be collected safely, wearing appropriate personal protective equipment, and cooled before testing to ensure accurate results. Next is onboard chemical analysis. Using specialized test kits, engineers perform a series of critical tests. The pH level indicates the water's acidity or alkalinity. Maintaining a slightly alkaline pH, typically between 10.5 and 11, is crucial to prevent corrosion. Chloride levels monitor salinity, a sign of potential seawater contamination from condenser leaks. Alkalinity, measured as P and M alkalinity, indicates the water's buffering capacity. Sulfite levels or oxygen scavenger residuals confirm the presence of chemicals that remove dissolved oxygen, a major cause of corrosion. Finally, phosphate levels indicate the effectiveness of scale-inhibiting treatments. Based on these test results, the dosing checklist comes into play. If, for instance, the pH is too low, a predetermined amount of an alkalinity builder, often a caustic solution, will be added. If oxygen scavenger levels are low, more sulfite or a similar product is dosed. If chloride levels are high, it signals a leak, requiring investigation and repair rather than just dosing. Each chemical has a specific target range, and the checklist guides the engineer on the correct quantity to dose to bring parameters back within limits. Finally, we have documentation and monitoring. Every test result, every dose of chemical, and any observations are meticulously recorded in the boiler water treatment logbook. This creates a historical record, allowing the engineering team to track trends, anticipate issues, and demonstrate compliance during inspections. This continuous cycle of testing, dosing, and monitoring ensures the ship's boilers operate safely and efficiently, a testament to meticulous engineering. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.